Alright, guys. We have basically 15 minutes almost until we have consumer sentiment and inflation expectations dropping. So we're kind of waiting for news before we trade. We're kind of in between these hourly highs and lows. I think I would prefer shorts and see price go kind of fill in the rest of this imbalance. However, the 1 hour and the 4 hour are in an uptrend. We broke structure to the upside on that black line there. The 1 hour is bullish as well. So we'll just have to see what price gives us. Alright guys, we just entered the longs. News came out bullish. We came in, we tapped this 1 minute fair value gap, strong reaction out, creating another fair value gap, which we tap into, strong reaction. So we're bouncing off of that. We also have this fair value gap on the 2 minute and the 3 minute that we've just seen get inversed. So we're in this, but my long position isn't working, bro. I don't get it. What the? Oh, this ain't looking good, boys. Well, that was going to be the shortest trade of all time. That's pretty unfortunate. Good thing I didn't put on that much risk. That was a stupid trade. Yeah, so basically news came out bullish. Strong reaction. I wanted to enter it here, but we didn't have a break of structure on the 1 minute. So after we came up here, big displacement up and a low tap into this with a reaction out, I thought, okay, we just this is like a 2-3 minute fair value gap that we inversed. So I'm like, okay, now that we've done that, I'm down to take the long. I honestly would be down maybe to try long one more time since I did risk so little here. But I don't know.
Okay, not a hot trading day for your boy, but we basically ended up coming out almost break even. We took a small loss. So we took 2 losing trades and then kind of a dub. Not really. We got stopped out in profit. So we were able to make some of our money back. But basically, this morning, we were basically just chopping around, waiting for news pretty much. But price was kind of moving towards these hourly highs. So I'm thinking, okay, we're pretty far up here. I don't think price is going to come down and sweep out these lows when these highs are so close, especially after news comes out. We have bullish news. So I'm like, okay, we're going to go to these hourly highs. So price retraces into this 1 minute fair value gap. We get a strong reaction. I wanted to enter here as I said before, there was no 1 minute break of structure. So we ended up entering up here because we invalidated this like 3 minute for value gap. But we got stopped out basically in like 2 minutes. Then we retrace into this for value gap. We tap into it, reaction out. So I'm thinking, okay, let's go long one more time. I want to see these hourly highs get taken out. But no, we retrace all the way to these hourly lows, sweep them out. And then once we get a break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute, I was just like, okay, let's try longs one more time because I was so de-risked on these two. Like I literally risked maybe 0.1, 0.2%. So, I'm usually risking, I want to risk anywhere from 0.5 to 1% a day, usually not more than 1%. Um, so I was okay with still putting some risk on the table since I left so much off the table on these two. So we get the break of structure, we go long, we start chopping up, and once we're kind of like up here, I move my stop to right under this low here that kind of covered this fair value gap and um these just 1 minute lows. So we ended up getting stopped out on this candle right here. So we were able to make some profit. Unfortunate we didn't just hold because we are now chugging all the way, almost at TP now. But yeah, not the best day. Mental's been a little off this week. I didn't really trade because we just had so much news coming out, especially with tariff news. I really wanted to wait for a perfect setup, and then today I was just on the charts. I was eager to trade a little because we haven't been trading all week. And yeah, so I took some, you know, B plus C level uh trades when in reality I need to be waiting for that A plus model entry. So yeah, not the best trading day for me. Definitely got to fix the mental, especially on this new funded. I don't want to blow it right away. Um I think I was just trying to meet um the you got to have 5 winning days or whatever. So I was really eager to get another winning day under the belt, but chasing my losses is not going to make that happen. So, future you, and when you watch this back, bro, don't take a trade or two and get off. Don't go chasing the losses because you don't want to be risking more than you have to. When you trade like this, you're going to end up losing. Like, if I lost one, like, just lost the first trade, that wouldn't have impacted my account at all. Um, but it's harder to come back from, if I had taken 3 losses. I did really de-risk, so even if I lost this one, I'd still be good. But, some of you guys, anyone out there listening, this is not healthy habits. Because you're gonna end up taking on way too much risk, and you're gonna end up blowing your account because if you take 3 losses in a day and you're over risking, you're gonna screw your account by doing something stupid. So luckily we were really de-risked and we're able to take a dub on this last one. But yeah, not the best trading day for me. I'm not happy with this. Luckily it's Friday. I can take the weekend off and come back on Monday. Hopefully next week news is more chill. Yeah, it's looking pretty chill next week, so we should be good to trade. But yeah, guys, not the prettiest day for me. Not happy with it. Gonna kind of reflect over the weekend and try and get my head on straight so we can perform on Monday. So, yeah, hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting these videos pretty much every day I trade. Um, I'm really just using these to journal. This is like my journal. I used to journal in a guys, if you're not journaling your trades, it sounds stupid, but it helps. I used to have a journal where I'd write down what I traded that day, the risk, what I did right, what I did wrong, what could I do better, what pair or what did I trade. But I just figured it's easier to make a video because then I can see the charts and I can just talk over it. Um, but yeah, so that's it for me. Have a good weekend, everybody. We will be back on Monday. Peace.